Hi YouTubers, I'm just busy finishing up on this Peugeot. I'm on the last little job, the oil leak. I've got to take this exhaust manifold out here. I've got a leak on the unit at the back over here. I've cleaned it off at the bottom, and the leak is coming here from this oil filter section. So I have to take the manifold off. I've already done the sensor here for the advanced timing, and that is code P0014 and P0013. I've checked all the pipe work through for air leaks. I've also checked all the water, that the water's flowing through the system correctly. I've ran it a while, and I've got a video on the temperatures and stuff that she's running at. It is all fine. So once I'm finished here, I'll just take it for a run and see what she does. I shouldn't be too long on this filter over there. Once I've got the exhaust all stripped off and the manifolds all stripped off, I can clean it further.